If you are a trader or wish to be one, I am sure that there was at least one point in your life when you just wanted to give up. And I have some news for you. You are definitely not alone. In my trading career, I just felt overwhelmed and wanted to give up like 1,000 times until now, a few days ago last time. But there are a few resources that helped me to find a balance and to understand why I am doing certain trading mistakes, and more than that, how to correct them. So apart from reading Divergence, which is mandatory, here are my top 5 trading books which are going to help you to grow, develop and trade like a pro. Number 5 on my list is Market Wizards by 𝐒𝐫𝐻, and it consists of interviews with some of the most successful traders of the past half century, such as Paul Tudor Jones, the billionaire founder of Tudor Investment Corporation. What really impressed me in this book was the vision of these interviewed traders, because by reading this you will understand that if you want to be a successful trader as them, you should definitely change your focus and your attitude as well. Because it is a real fact that what is the most important key in your trading and what is going to make you consistent is actually your attitude. Going to number 4, I would strongly recommend you to read The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. Although many other books have since been published on this subject, Douglas' book is still considered a must-read classic text on trading psychology. And one of the strengths of the book is the fact that, although it addresses a subject that might appear complex, it is very clear and easy read. Mark Douglas managed to leave a strong mark in the trading world by the clarity of his writings, and this is why you will find one more book of his later in this video. Number 3 is Naked Forex by Alex Necritin, and in this book, more than shaping your trading psychology, you are going to learn some strong and important technical analysis aspects. I was a very beginner when I first read this book, and it was a really strong foundation for my trading journey. Also, if you feel like the basics of trading are already known by you, you can easily skip to the more advanced chapters, because this book is destined from the very beginner trader to the most advanced one. After the first trading introduction chapters, you will find some really nice strategies using only price action, no indicators, only pattern and market reading. And even if you don't want to change your current strategy, I would still strongly recommend you to read this book, because the writer's vision will really help you to understand this naked trading approach. As a quick remark before continuing this video, for those who are into prop firms trading, there are some good news about Find a Trading Plus, who just launched a $200,000 advanced trader account. It costs $999, and if you use the 𝐓𝐫𝐮 coupon code on the checkout page, you will receive a 10% discount for this refundable fee. So for all the champs willing to trade 6 figures account, see you funded, guys!
Forex Trading!
Going next to our top, it was really hard for me to choose which is the number 2 and the number 1 on my list. And this is because both of these books were completely life-changing for me. So let's continue, and the number 2 on my list is the First Trading Manual Foundation Course and Strategies by Trader Tom. Trader Tom, or Tom Hugard by his name, was the one who literally opened my eyes and told me the truth of trading. Again, this is a book read by me in my early trading days, when I was just thinking that trading is so easy, and I couldn't understand how some traders become consistent in 2 or 3 or 5 years, or some of them never. And it was really curious for me, because all I was hearing about Forex trading was, I made $1 million today, I am buying my dream car from my Forex money, and so on. And there was literally no one there to tell me, girl, you are going to cry your life prior being a consistent, profitable trader. So I started to read Tom's book, and on the very first pages I read the following sentence: I have to warn you, this is not an easy profession. And I was thinking, is this a joke? So going back to my main point, in this book you will find one of the most sincere and real vision about trading. Everything is exposed as it is, and more than putting your feet on the ground, this book is going to learn you some valuable resources about technical analysis. And now let's move to the top of my top, and of course let's talk about Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. As an important mention for this book is completely based on to improve a trader's mindset. It is not for just started beginners. It will not learn you a strategy or technical analysis, but it will do something more valuable. By reading this book, you will understand exactly your trading behavior and more than that, its roots. It was mind-blowing for me to understand that all my trading fears and wrong behavior has its roots in my social environment, childhood rules, and so on. By identifying these mandatory points, this book helped me to completely change my attitude and to control my losing fears. So this was the top of the books which I consider that were and still are really helpful in my trading journey. If you have any other recommendations, please write them down in comments, because I just finished to read the second time Trading in the Zone, and I would really like to read more visions and more books. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because now we are back from our summer vacation and we'll post again on a regular basis. If you want to see a short compilation of our Portugal holiday, check Alex's previous video. So that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. See you in our next videos, and of course, until then, trade safe and trust the process.